How to use TikTok for business in 2024. With more than 1 billion monthly active users from around the world, TikTok is growing to be one of the most popular social media platforms. While this massive user base may be cause enough for brands to start using the platform, there's also the fact that TikTok users spend an estimated $110 million per month, which makes it the top-grossing non-gaming app. If that convinces you to use TikTok for your business, this post will help you find your footing on the platform. Who should use TikTok for business and why? While the platform has a large concentration of younger users, the app is just as popular among young adults and middle-aged users. TikTok users actively participate in conversations on the platforms, which results in high brand engagement, particularly when the content businesses create is perceived as genuine. If you're convinced that TikTok is the right choice for your business, it's time to learn how to start using it. Step 1. Creating your TikTok business account. If you have a registered social media account for your business, you can also use that to sign up on TikTok. From your Me page, click on the button at the top and select Manage Account. Choose the option to Switch to Business Account, select the category that best matches your industry, and that's it. You now have a TikTok business account that you can use for engaging with your audience and posting content about your business. Step 2. Optimizing your profile. Once you have your account set up, you'll get the option to edit your profile. This is an important step because your profile acts as a digital storefront for your business. So it's important that you optimize it to authentically represent your brand. That means updating your bio, profile photo, and URL. Get your account verified. Having a verified account on TikTok is crucial for business users as it enhances credibility and trustworthiness. Choose a photo that perfectly represents your brand. Make sure there's a consistent and coherent visual identity across all your social accounts. With TikTok, you only have 80 characters to write a short description about your brand. To make the most of this space, keep it short and to the point without losing your brand essence. Be strategic about your URL. TikTok allows you to include one clickable URL in your profile. So you need to be strategic about what link you add. You can link to your homepage, landing page, blog post, or even app download page depending on your goals. Step 3. Understanding your target audience. While your specific goal may be unique, there's one main reason why you're using TikTok to connect with your audience. But you can't connect with your audience if you're not creating the kind of content that resonates with them. This is why it's crucial to take a closer look at who your audience is and understand what kind of content they'd be interested in. Think of where the TikTok user base overlaps with your target demographic. Use social media analytics and direct feedback to analyze their behavior, preferences, and interests. Then, develop detailed buyer personas to represent your ideal customers based on demographics, behaviors, and motivations. Leverage social listening tools to see what type of content resonates with your target audience. These tools track trends and audience preferences, offering valuable insights into what content is currently engaging viewers. Step 4. Understanding and mastering the TikTok algorithm. You need to know the factors that influence the TikTok algorithm so you can use them to your advantage and improve visibility on the platform. TikTok's algorithm promotes videos by initially showing them to a small, targeted group of users based on their interests. If this group responds positively by engaging with the video, it is then shown to a larger audience. This cycle continues, allowing videos to gain momentum and potentially go viral. The algorithm adapts in real time, ensuring that engaging content reaches a wider audience while maintaining a personalized user experience. For businesses, mastering the algorithm can enhance product promotion and community building. By creating engaging, high-quality content that encourages interaction, brands can increase their visibility and reach on the platform. Step 5. Scoping out the competition. Is your competition on TikTok? What types of content are they creating, and are their followers engaged? Looking at your main competitors and seeing what works, doesn't work for them is a great way to build out your TikTok marketing strategy. Make sure you keep a close eye on the types of content that seem to get the most engagement. Analyze how they interact with their followers, the trends they are participating in, the challenges they are joining, and the hashtags they are using. This can provide you with insights on what resonates with your shared target audience. Step 6. Developing a powerful content strategy. Based on your research, you can start building out your TikTok content strategy. This involves outlining details such as the types of content you'll create and how often you'll publish new content. Funny and entertaining videos may be great for engagement, but you can also provide tutorial videos on how to make the most of your products to inform and educate your audience. This is a great way to get people more invested in your brand's content so they can keep coming back for more. Mastering TikTok SEO. To maximize your reach on TikTok, it's crucial to optimize your hashtags and captions for search value. TikTok SEO involves using relevant and popular hashtags that align with your content and audience interests. This improves the discoverability of your videos, ensuring they appear in search results and on the For You page. Descriptive and keyword-rich captions help the TikTok algorithm understand the context of your videos, making it more likely that your content will be shown to users interested in those topics. Step 7. Partnering with influential users. With the ability to reach millions of users at once, influential TikTokers have the power to make your business an overnight success. Having the right influencer promoting your brand in front of their followers is a great way to instantly boost your visibility on the platform. Your TikTok influencer marketing strategy could be as simple as getting an influencer to briefly mention your brand. But ideally, find a way to have them feature your product or service in a way that would resonate with their followers. Step 8. Boost sales through TikTok Shop. TikTok Shop is a powerful tool for e-commerce businesses. By integrating shopping features within the app, TikTok Shop provides a seamless and interactive shopping experience, making it easier for users to purchase products without leaving the app. This can significantly boost brand visibility and drive traffic to your store. TikTok Shop supports live shopping events, where brands can showcase products in real time and interact with viewers. Businesses can also capitalize on user-generated content by allowing customers to feature products in their videos, providing authentic testimonials and encouraging viral marketing as users share their experiences with their followers. Step 9. Using TikTok advertising to maximize reach and impact. Another excellent way to give your business TikTok an instant boost is by paying for TikTok advertising. Since this requires some financial investment, it's important to carefully set up and manage your TikTok ads to attain good ROI. This starts with a clear and realistic goal and a defined target audience. You can then design your ad keeping these two factors in mind. Create a powerful TikTok ad strategy that will help you get your business in front of the right people and leave an impact on them. Utilize one or more of the TikTok advertisements options. Step 10. Using analytics to grow and optimize. Finally, success on TikTok requires constant optimization. Make the most of TikTok analytics tools to track your performance on the platform and look for opportunities to improve. Measure key metrics such as content-specific engagement, hashtag reach, and optimal posting times. These insights help you refine your content strategy for better results. For example, analyze which types of content receive the most engagement and replicate those elements in future posts. Use analytics to see when your audience is the most active on TikTok and determine the best times to post, ensuring your content reaches the largest possible audience. Making TikTok work for your business. Now that we've got all the essential steps laid out for you, it's time to follow them and start using TikTok for business. Make sure you start with a strong profile, a well-defined target audience, and a powerful content strategy to get the ball rolling and improve your chances of succeeding on the platform.